under the sofa. It's a dusty mess down here. You can come join me. It isn't that bad when you're near. And if you want some change, my dear, then you can whisper in my ear. And if you have a single fear, then I will wipe away your tears. Under the sofa, all of your loose change goes. Dance with the dust, bodies next to the remote control. I don't mind pillow forts in the springtime. All of mine will sink in the cushions of Under the sofa, all of your loose change goes. Dance with the dust, bodies next to the remote control. I don't mind pillow forts in the springtime. All of mine will sink in the cushions of
It feels like I'm skydiving when I text you. Rose petals on the floor outside your bedroom. Sunshine whenever you smile, it's the best view. I was at the bottom waiting for a rescue, but now it's like a paradise enveloped in light. Everyone's probably aware, but I'ma tell them despite even telling them twice. You're a hell of a delight. Got a smile like a story that I tell every night. And if you're feeling sickly, I'ma break out the Campbells. Make sure you get your hand held damn well. If you can't tell, I'm in a bit of a trance. Such a pretty romance, the way it fits in the plans. It's like a sundress on an early afternoon. Up next, I'm just curling up with you. No question, I guess that it's the truth. You're just really fucking cute. Sunshine, I'm watching through the window.